practice English speaking.
Hello everyone, welcome to Practice English Speaking channel.
Today, you'll listen to a real English conversation between two friends about how to talk on the phone in English.
This topic is perfect for A2 to B1 level learners to practice listening, speaking, and useful phone phrases.
You will improve your confidence in real-life situations, learn natural expressions, and get better at speaking fluently.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat the sentences with us.
Let's start our conversation.
Hey, thanks for calling. I was just finishing my tea.
No problem. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, it's fine. What's up?
I wanted to check how your day is going.
It's going well. I worked from home today.
Oh, nice. Did you have many meetings?
Yes, too many. My phone didn't stop ringing.
Same here. Sometimes I feel tired just talking on the phone.
I know that feeling. Phone calls can be exhausting.
By the way, do you like phone calls or messages?
I prefer messages, but phone calls are faster.
Exactly. When something is urgent, I always call.
Yes, calling saves time and avoids confusion.
Sometimes I feel nervous speaking English on the phone.
Me too. It's harder because you can't see the other person.
That's true. You have to listen very carefully.
And speak clearly and slowly.
When I don't understand, I say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
That's a very useful sentence.
I also say, "Can you speak a little slower, please?"
Yes, that sounds polite and natural.
What do you usually say when you answer a call?
I say, hello, this is speaking, or just hello.
Simple is best.
What about ending a call?
I usually say, "I have to go now. Talk to you later."
That's very common.
Sometimes calls get too long.
Yes, then I say, sorry, I need to go.
That's honest and polite.
Talking on the phone in English gets easier with practice.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more confident you feel.
Now let's practice some key words and phrases. Phrase 1. Is this a good time to talk?
This means you were checking if the person is free. Example, is this a good time to talk or should I call later?
Phrase 2. What's up?
It means what's happening or how are you? Example, hey, what's up?
Phrase 3. Sorry, can you repeat that?
You use this when you don't understand. Example, sorry, can you repeat that? The line is bad.
Phrase 4. I have to go now.
This is a polite way to end a call. Example, I have to go now. Talk later.
Phrase 5. Talk to you later.
It means you will speak again soon.
When we talk on the phone, we often use polite questions.
For example, can you repeat that? Could you speak slower? Using can or could sounds polite.
Now it's your turn.
How do you answer a phone call in English?
What sentence do you use to end a call?
Answer in the comments or practice with a friend.
By the way, do you ever make mistakes on phone calls?
All the time. Sometimes I say the wrong word.
Yes, that happens to me too.
But I don't stop. I just continue speaking.
That's good. Making mistakes is normal.
Exactly. People still understand you.
When I feel nervous, I take a deep breath.
That helps a lot.
Do you practice phone calls in English?
Yes, sometimes I talk to myself.
Really?
Yes, I pretend I'm calling someone.
That's a smart idea.
I practice saying hello and goodbye.
I also practice common sentences.
Like what?
Like, can I call you back later?
Oh, yes. That's very useful.
Sometimes I'm busy, so I say that.
I say, I'm in a meeting right now.
That sounds professional.
Thanks. Phone English is important for work.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, more than before.
What helped you the most?
Listening to real conversations.
Same here. It improves listening skills.
And repeating sentences helps speaking.
Also, speaking slowly helps a lot.
Yes, slow and clear English is better.
Fast English is hard on the phone.
Especially with bad signal.
Oh yes, bad signal is the worst.
Then I say, the line is not clear.
That's a very good sentence.
Or I say, can you hear me?
Simple and useful.
Do you use video calls?
Yes, sometimes they are easier.
Because you can see the person.
But phone calls are still important.
Yes, we use them every day.
So practicing phone English is a must.
I agree 100%.
Let's give one tip to listeners.
Okay, my tip is don't be afraid.
My tip is practice a little every day.
Even 5 minutes is enough.
Yes, small practice brings big results.
English becomes easier with time.